Subtracting integers. For example, 5 minus -2. To solve this, first distribute the sign. This sign. To distribute this sign, multiply it to the other sign. So, negative times negative equals positive. Therefore, it becomes 5 plus 2. And now, it's easy to solve. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Just remember, negative times negative equals positive. Next example, -2 minus 3. To solve this, just add the numbers 2 and 3. So, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then, just copy the sign, negative. Therefore, the answer is -5. For the third example, 4 minus 6. To solve this, proceed with the subtraction. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Then, copy the sign of the highest number. That number is -6. Therefore, the answer is -2. In this case, just remember, proceed with the operation and use the sign of the highest number or integer.